Imagine living where vibrant city life meets stunning beaches and breathtaking mountain views.
I'm DG Property Agent Alison Robb, and welcome to Cape Town.
Originally from Durban, I've proudly called Cape Town my home for the past 50 years. It is here that I launched my real estate career 35 years ago, selling apartments and building lifelong relationships with my clients. With solid product knowledge, an eye on market trends, and a focus on timely, accurate insights, I aim to make every transaction a success. I love the energy of this area, the beaches, the mountains, and the incredible proximity to top restaurants, delis, and the V&A waterfront. At DG Properties, we add our mark of quality by blending niche expertise with a proven track record. For us, it's not just about selling homes, it's about building trust, offering care, and creating lasting relationships